Hello, I am Bhaskar. This is my wife Saheli.
I'm Saheli.
We are from Bangalore. So we took this trip to Kerala as a part of celebrating our wedding anniversary, 27th in fact. And while this was all managed through Make My Trip, when we were about to start our journey and we were given the details of the car and driver, we had just one request, that please ensure it's a nice car, and more importantly a driver that can be like
That whom we, with
who
whom
is
we
knowledgeable,
can communicate better.
who can communicate well and all. Well, to be very honest, I don't think we could have wanted more. Our driver, who is more like a friend now and a guide through this trip, Arun, an excellent person with a good knowledge.
We had an awesome experience with Arun. He's a very good person and we enjoyed our trip with him.
Yeah, so we started our trip by flying from Bangalore to Kochi, where Arun met us at the airport and he picked us up. One of the good things is that all along it's been Arun and the same car. So till the time that we fly back from Trivandrum, he's stayed with us. Day one, we moved from Kochi to Munnar. We reached Munnar in the evening, but along the way there were some interesting sightseeing that we did. Given that we landed up here in a hot season, water levels are down, waterfalls have dried up. Arun was very resourceful in suggesting other points of interest where we could go and still get to see something of interest. So first of all, we took a very enjoyable boat ride on the Periyar River through the mangroves, and it was excellent. So that was like start of our trip, so to speak.
Trip and suggested
Yeah.
by Arun. So every point we enjoyed very much, all the scenic points suggested by him. So he's a very good guide. Definitely recommend him for other tourists, and if our relatives are coming, we will definitely recommend Arun.
So from Munnar, day two, that was the day of our anniversary actually. And unfortunately, what had happened was that it was a Monday, and some of the planned sightseeing spots like the Tata Tea Museum was closed that day. It's a weekly off. But Arun took us to another spot. It was the Lockhart Tea Factory. That too was closed, but it was open with a small shop where you could see what products they make and also buy. And it was a very nicely maintained lawn with views. So we spent some time there and it was totally worth it. From there we went to a tea estate, again by the Lockhart company, where it was another type of experience. Not only we could see the views all around, the excellent slopes lined with the tea plants, but you could walk amongst those plantations, and we spent a good time there. And finally from there, where did we go?
From the tea estate we went to this waterfall.
No. So it was a special day, and I told Arun, what can we do? And he had a perfect, option for us, which he did not tell us immediately, but we had something that we didn't imagine would be what it sounded, and that was a jeep safari. So we went to a place called Anachal, had a quick bite there, and while we were having our lunch, Arun mobilized a jeep through his network, his acquaintances, and we had an excellent experience again, going up the hill through the villages, and we saw a waterfall, we saw a hanging bridge, Ponmudi Dam, the reservoir of the dam, and then there was also an eco point in a very interesting place. And the good thing was that it was not crowded. We could enjoy our time spent at these spots. And finally, as that came to an end, we returned back to the hotel.
Before that, Arun gave us a wonderful surprise.
Yes.
He got a bought a cake for us on the occasion of our 27th anniversary, and we had a wonderful setting where we did the cake cutting. It was such a nice and pleasant surprise. We really enjoyed. Thank you, Arun.
Yeah, and this was actually a surprise, a pleasant surprise. Thank you, Arun, for being so thoughtful. We really, were touched by your gesture. And it came at a point called the top point, the highest point
Yeah.
in Munnar,
With
from
awesome
where you
views.
get awesome views. And you truly made us feel top of the world at that point in time. So thank you once again on that. Cruising along, the next day we checked out of our hotel from Munnar and we were on our way to Thekkady. Along the way, we had a few interesting experiences.
Yes.
One of which was, stopping midway, and so we stopped along the way and had a taste of locally grown pineapple. It's very sweet,
Yeah.
and it was also a very interesting experience. Again, suggested by Arun. So these are the experiences that probably are not part of the official trip, but thanks to Kerala Dewdrops, of which Arun is a part, and Arun himself, we were able to taste and experience some of these small moments of delight, so to speak.
Yeah.
Then in Thekkady we reached and we checked into a hotel, a beautiful hotel, and in the evening Arun took us for 2 shows. Interestingly, that day for some reason there was a strike on in that locality in Thekkady, but we still managed to catch the shows. So one was a show of Kalari Payattu, the traditional martial art, which was excellent. So, we were thrilled to see the artist perform, followed by an equally mesmerizing performance of the Kathakali dance, and we enjoyed that too. It was a good cultural immersion into what Kerala has to offer, other than the natural sightseeing as well. Post that, day 3 was, or rather day 4, we checked out of our hotel in Thekkady and then we moved towards Alleppey. Along the way, what did we do?
Towards Alleppey, we just
Yeah.
drove directly towards Alleppey.
Yeah.
And we boarded
Yeah,
houseboat.
and
Then
it was a change of view and locale ambience, because we were driving down from the hills now into the more coastal plain areas. We were able to see differences of how the places were, people, city center, shops and all. So it was interesting to kind of experience that as we were driving to Alleppey. And finally we checked into our houseboat, where we spent one night, which was again an excellent and unique experience.
Yes.
Staying in a houseboat. All food, lunch, dinner, breakfast the next morning was provided in the houseboat. But most importantly, we had a houseboat sailing through the Vembanad Lake,
Yeah.
and it was quite a relaxed experience, seeing and taking in the views on both sides
Right.
of the lake. And eventually, we were able to even come back to our room, which was in the lower deck, and view the lake even from our room itself. So again, a very unique experience. We would recommend, if you are coming to Kerala in future, do plan to take
Yeah.
a houseboat ride and stay one night. It will be an excellent
And
experience.
from time to time, we had messages from Dewdrops inquiring about
Yes.
How our trip is going.
Yes, absolutely.
So we definitely
appreciate
enjoyed
the focus on customer
yes.
servicing and delight,
Yeah.
because they were, every day I was getting a message which was requesting to share how the sightseeing was happening, how was our transportation and all. So it really makes you feel valued, that someone is giving that much personal attention to ensuring our trip is as best as it can be. And of course, again, you might be hearing me speak of Arun again and again in this feedback, this review, but without his expert guidance and expertise in the knowledge of his places, what is he kept on interested even during long drives with his conversations, which were very interesting. dabbling across politics, culture, people. Finally, we are at the end of our Kerala trip. We drove down to Varkala. We are at the Leela Ashtamudi resort in Varkala, where we'll be checking out in a bit today. And from here, Arun is going to drive us and drop us off at Trivandrum International Airport, from where we board our flight back home to Bangalore. So all in all, we had an excellent time.
It's a memorable trip. We'll always remember
Yeah.
Arun and Kerala.
Yeah, and
So-
thanks to Kerala Dewdrops for assigning Arun as our guide and driver and such. It made it doubly enjoyable. And I told Arun this more than once, but I will repeat it, that he is an excellent ambassador of the Kerala state, where he takes care to kind of point out and highlight what is of interest, and that makes for a richer experience, a richer immersion experience as we moved and we visited the various places in our trip.
Thank you
thank
so
you,
much.
Arun, and wish you all the best. And
Thanks to Dewdrop also.
thanks to Kerala Dewdrops as well. And I'm sure if we are back in Kerala, we'll definitely be getting in touch.
You can edit it, Arun. It's
Sure.